Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Just a quick video to let you know about a new website I've created, bestinphotography.com. You probably already know that every single day, hundreds if not thousands of new photography how-to videos are posted online. I mean, who has the time to look through all of those to find the best? Well, we do. Every day we find the best new photography articles and videos and post them to bestinphotography.com. From now on, you won't have to spend all day searching for the best. You can simply visit bestinphotography.com. And if you don't have time to visit daily, subscribe to the weekly newsletter. Once a week, we'll be sending out an email with links to all of the best photography articles and videos that were posted the previous week. Now, nothing has changed. My other website, onlinephotographytraining.com, will still be getting all my new YouTube videos and articles, and all my other websites will remain the same. So, I'd appreciate it if you check out bestinphotography.com and subscribe to the newsletter. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it.